Oh, hey there guys. Pablo with Russ Darrow Mazda here in Madison. And again, welcome to our new store off of the Beltline, Todd Drive exit. So I wanted to touch base with you guys on air filters today. Two prominent air filters in your vehicle. You have your cabin air filter that sits underneath the glove box in here. Your car sucks in air right here for the HVAC system. So your air conditioning and your heat, and it filters it through this. So this is a good thing to want to change every 30,000 miles, because ultimately this is the air you're breathing in. So if you're susceptible to allergens, pollen, etc., this is a good thing to get replaced on a regular basis. Likewise, you have your engine air filter, which you have right here, sits under here, and this has a direct effect on your airflow into the engine, and that can affect your fuel economy. So this is another item you want to do every 30,000 miles. So that's what you call a 30K service, oil change, rotation, and your two filters. And do know the pricing on the filters are $29.95 for either one. And it's a good thing to look at every 30K, because one, you'll get better fuel economy, and two, you're going to breathe better air and not be as sniffly, especially in winter. You guys stay dry and warm out there. It's a little cold and slushy. You don't want to be slipping and sliding. And have a great new year. Thank you.